How to become a CapCut creator. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you on how you can apply to become a CapCut creator. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. Now, if you want to apply to become a creator on CapCut, you can simply head into your browser, and on your browser, you can simply search in for CapCut Creator Program or join CapCut Creator. Then down below, you shall see US Template Creator Program and UK Template Creator Program. Now here currently these are the only reasons supported, so you can head into any one of these, right? Then you can see apply now option, tap on apply now, and now you have to go through the prompts here. So let it load up. You'll have to first enter in your email. Remember to enter in the email linked with your CapCut account, and you can choose how did you hear about the US Template Creator Program, whether announcements, social media, CapCut app, others. Then you want to choose whether you are over 18 years old, tap on yes or no, and then submit it and go ahead to the prompts. So this is how you can easily apply to become a CapCut creator. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.